All right, fuel filter TP1007. So let me back up and show you where the fuel filter is. You got the rear door, passenger or driver side. And if you look up, you will see it way right there. Those two little sockets. Okay, so we have a 60 and a 50, and I just grabbed a ruler just to make sure there's no difference, and it looks like it's the same dimension, so it's not going to matter which side you put it on, because that was a concern of mine. When I saw the difference between the two, I did watch another video and it was very similar, which is interesting, but I see no differences in which I can tell. Alright, here we go. Crack open this little guy right here. I'm a wimp, so I'm not going to even attempt it. Oh, there we go. She flowing. Okay. I wonder how much is in there. I saw another video and a guy plopped it out. He used like a laundry detergent bin. That thing was plumb full. Okay. Let's close this up. Let me grab a crescent wrench. I think. Alright, now we're at the point where it's freely spinning. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna let this drip wherever it wants to drip. Holy cow, that is nasty. Come on. Oh boy, there's some craziness going on. Now, let's see if I can move this guy back. Check out how dirty those son of a guns are. So how much diesel came out after the entire process? Let's see. That's 2.5 quarts. Looks like 3 pints, 48 ounces, or 1.5 liters. That is quite a bit. That about wraps it up. Sorry I didn't get the install part done. It was just mostly screw back in, tighten with my ghetto tool, and that's all she wrote. Hopefully you guys found it a little bit helpful. Next time I'll get a better view, but that's kind of the gist. Drain plug, 27 millimeter, 20 Newton meters plus or minus. No, it's a minimum 20, and then you can go to 25. All right, that's it. And the last thing you gotta do is you gotta put it into the accessory mode so it primes the pump. It'll make a goofy noise, and I'll record that and crack yourself a beer. Hopefully you guys can hear that noise. And it's quiet now, so I'm gonna do that one more time.